Hi.
Hey, honey.
I think she's like, I'm not ready for that. I just want love. I just want love. I'm Ramona. The cat that we're almost sure is a girl.
It's a girl. She clearly has a girl spot. She clearly has a vagina. She's a girl. Now you know she's a girl because I give her attention and she walks away from me.
Oh.
Ooh, just you a little girl. You're a little pretty girl.
I can't believe we found her like 30 minutes ago. And this is her already.
Yes, you are, sweet girl. Wow.
She's talkative. Woo.
Uh-oh. It's starting. Hi, honey. Yes, you are a sweet little girl. Yes, you are a sweet little girl.